All right, brother. I'm gonna back in here. Make sure that I look good on that side.
All right. You're good. 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 All right. Good.
Good right there?
You're perfect. You're between the lines.
I'm in the lines?
You're in the lines.
All right, perfect. Good enough.
All right, good enough.
Yeah, I don't know about those new trucks, all the electronics and crap. I just kind of like my old school simple stuff. Did you see that dude's mullet? It was beautiful.
You gotta do the dishes.
Yeah, they're 10s, but I still keep them clean.
Everyone loves a good hood stand.
What do you think the widest tire is I can run? I really don't want to lift it too much.
Oh, it's Lacey Blair. Let's get some merch. All right, got my hat. Let's go.
Man, I'd love to come and swap something eventually.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna go wider, so I'm gonna order some new spacers.
Wouldn't be a show truck without 26 American Forces on 37s, all right? How you gonna run a show wheel without one of the show tires right here? Damn it. What's the truck build without a 7 to 9 McGoy's lift kit?
I definitely need to go with the bigger lift kit next year. This baby ain't cutting it.
Be so much cooler with Ford's wheels.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna build my own set of custom headlights next year. They don't look too hard.
State trooper pulled me over for my too much tire poke, and that's my 4th warning this month. What's the largest wheel width I can go with without having to get a lift kit so I don't rub?
I think my wrap design would look better if I had this here with the red and black logo. Get these wrapped red, get this powdered white, get this wrapped red, powder white actually maybe, I don't know. Maybe choose a powder again underneath again, I don't know, I'll keep my mind up, but probably do darker tint, get rid of those stickers up there, might put another light bar on top, might do a different tire setup, you never know. And they're floaters too, but I don't know if I want to keep floaters or not, I don't know what I want yet. So scratch what I said, I think we're just gonna keep it how it is anyway.
Bro, I totally rolled coal back there.
What's a truck build without aftermarket truck headlights from Alpharex? Of course, there's a party after a truck show. Gotta get your beer. Guys want to see me do a burnout? I'll do another burnout if you guys want me to.
Oh wow, yep, that's 16 rock lights, but I definitely could use 16 more.
One more burnout or 2? Which one do you guys want me to do? 1 or 2? One more? All right, let's go.
Later that same evening. One debt to society later. Much later.
So that's what we got for you guys. If there's something that you always say or someone you know always says that we miss, drop it in the comments below. And as always, subscribe to youtube.com/CustomOffsetsTV. Peace.